So hello everyone and welcome back to the Southern Biker, and you join me and Alex. Say hello.
Hello!
You fucking bellend. You join us on our way. In fact, Alex, do you want to tell them where we're going?
If you can hear me, we're going to Rykas!
And we just probably broke several laws joining this bit of ride. But yeah, we're off to Ryka's Calf. I've not been there before and you've not either, have you?
I have not been there before, Biv.
Insane. So yeah, we're going to have a look. I bought the proper camera along, so hopefully the video quality is going to be good when I get there. So yeah.
That Bimmer's letting us out, by the way. We can go!
What a darling. But yeah, we'll roll a montage, we'll roll the intro, roll the montage, and then we'll be there. So I hope you all enjoy. Alex, anything to say before I roll the intro? Insane, Rev, insane. Alex?
Yeah.
Yes,
Oh, I went next to it.
the car just started indicating and then went and just moved over to the centre line waiting for a gap, and I was like, dude, I'm here. What the fuck? It's still 60 down here anyway, so we're good. Oh, I'm gonna go to 70 in a sec.
We got a cheeky Volvo.
Oh, cheeky Volvo incoming, bro.
I don't know. Right, we want to be in the middle lane going left, yeah?
So we're staying on the M25, yeah?
And on the section of it is so picturesque.
Stunning!
Stunning, James. Yeah, Brianna, look at the knee out, fucking elbow down. Oh, big fucking bombs in back. Oh yeah, fucking red bomb.
There it is, that's right.
Jump on it.
Jump on it.
Right, the camera is...
No, please.
virus.
You know, crooked Hillary, she's really screwed up the M25. It's disgraceful. Oh, that's lovely.
Lovely that, isn't it? No!
Oh, what a letdown, what a letdown.
What a letdown, man. This is cool.
Policia?
Yeah, I've got a report for police ahead.
Policia?
Yeah, good idea, straight in the slow lane, man.
Trident 660's back.
That is cool. That is really nice.
It's one of the tribute zones, isn't it? I'd love to know how much money they make a day. Ah, bro, let's go Heathrow still.
That dickhead in the wrong lane.
Oh, me? Nah, not
No.
yeah, exactly. Bro, you definitely get some people send it down here.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Had it after. But it's fucking payday!
Yeah, is it?
Yes, it is.
Oh, fuck.
Every 4 weeks I get paid.
What?
Sweet. There's a few in. To be fair, most people probably would have been left. But that means the food queues are going to be shorter. Where do you want to park?
Should we just go in? Swing our bikes round.
Yeah, swing around. I'll let you park up. And... Are you embarrassing yourself?
I'm gonna turn around, but I've done the fucking thing and parked on the slope.
There you go, fuck it, that'll do. Alright, well we have arrived. We've already had one dilemma.
Pizza place is closed.
They're not closed.
Oh no, they're not closed. The pizza place has run out of pizza.
Unbelievable.
Pizza no, they ran out of pizza. Very sad.
I'm telling my mum, personally. I don't know about you. But anyway, yeah, we're here. Over there's the actual calf. And then over there, we've got a sitting here with a big screen.
Golf.
That's a little like burger van thing, but that's shut. And then we're under a big tent. Golf.
They're watching golf.
Ah. And then over there we've got loads of bikes.
443.
No, it's not us. But yeah, loads of bikes over there. We both got mac and cheese in the end. I don't know why that's trying to focus on something around it. Oh, and we've got Guinness Zeros. Alex was me to point out.
They are zero.
Oh, promotional shop. But yeah, we're just waiting for the food, and then once we've eaten, I'll just have a quick look inside, and I'll see what's in the car park, I guess.
Sick one.
Look at this dickhead. Off he goes, he's well excited. None of them is still on the bike.
446.
Right, well it's here, I can't lie, 15 quid. Looks good, but I don't know if it's actually that much.
It's well good, bro.
What do you get? You got the bacon and whiskey jam one, didn't you? What were you thinking?
It's well tasty.
Well tasty.
It's well tasty.
Well tasty.
It's well tasty. You get 3 well tasty. You get 5 big boobs, bro.
Oh, right. Let's see what this is like then. Right, well, that was pretty good actually, but I don't know. I feel like they put it in the cab a little bit bigger. But anyway, let's go and have a look inside. The chicken that's really good. Yeah, this is the main cafe here. Over there is the pizza shed, which unfortunately was out of dough. I mean, it is about 7:30, so we're getting quite late. This is the inside. Like, as soon as you come in. What is it? There's a BSO. Bike's up there on the rack. Ooh, right in there. Sitting area. Engine as a table stand. That's so good. Bunch of pictures on the wall. Bunch of magazines on the side. I'm sure there's some famous faces here, but I won't have a clue. Nice at the top. Sorry, thank you. Just where you order your food, bar and stuff. Sitting area back over there. Yeah, it's not massive inside. Cheers up. The bikes for sale on the wall over here. Tool box for your sugars and stuff, that's quite funny. But yeah, there's not actually much. There's not actually much inside. So yeah, sitting area over here with a big screen. I'm going to assume that's toilets over there. Yeah, it's pretty sweet here. Right, you know what, we're going to look and see what's in the car park. Right, so let's have a look over here. Obviously there's Alex's bike, NC750. There's my bike. So you can get a nice bit of canopy here. So if it is raining, you've got somewhere sheltered to park. MT125, CB125F, just like the one I used to have. Head, Suzuki Bandit, I'm going to imagine 650. Yamaha Scrambler that I don't know the name of. Let's try it. Seen it. Just 650. I'll go around the front so I don't check people's plates. We got there. Got a Hornet 600. CBR 650R. That's either had a transformation or halfway through a transformation. Goozy there, isn't it? It's nice and fancy. Bar end indicators, that's impressive.
MT10. What are these called? CB400s, or is that it's a Hornet? I see it says Hornet on the side. I'm not good when it comes to some of the older bikes. I do apologise. Round again. Oh my god, that's another Bandit. So there's the MT07 that just turned up. MT10. Fireblade. Sits at our 300, I believe. That's a Benelli. Oh. We went hanging about. That's a Suzuki. Street Triple. Ducati Diablo. BF800, I believe. Well, I don't know, went a bit high pitch there. Believe. Ooh. CB500F, slightly newer version of my one. Vulcan 650, 1200 GS, 125. Another 765 Street Triple. A Suzuki TL1000S V-twin, R125. Hornet 500, which is just a CB500F with the Hornet name. A YBR 125. R125 and Ninja 650. CB125R. Duke. A really old 125 Honda. Look. I think I've seen one of those before. It's quite cool. Let's get one up. All bikes turning up.
You get featured too.
You're all going to be famous. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's no TS7. So these guys just turned up. Another 125. Oh no, it's a 390. Here we've got Triumph Tiger 900. Big BMW touring bike that I don't know the name of, and that's pretty much it. So I reckon if we were here an hour or so earlier, there probably would have been quite a few more bikes here. But yeah, there's everything here. So it's not really a big building, but yeah, if anything else shows up, oh, that guy's back again. If anything else shows up, I'll let you know. But if not, it'll probably cut to me Alex leaving.
Right, well, it's time for us to leave already. That's pretty decent, actually. I'll definitely come back here again. Alex, what did you think?
Mac and cheese was so good, Briv.
I give it 7.5 out of 10. Right, anyway, Alex says there's a nice photo spot up here, he thinks, so I'm following him. So
I think
if this is a failure, it's all his fault.
it's all my fault.
It's so lovely, this. Does that car just park there?
Yeah, boy.
I guess it's not double yellows, so... Whee! Ooh! Oh, isn't this just lovely? Yeah.